Hey guys, this is Rabbit Wolf here, and before we get to start with the video, I would like to see 10 likes on this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit that little notification bell when it pops up, and I hope you enjoy, guys. As always, I I would like to play games, a custom game match with you guys. Well, that could be a little lower. Okay, let's see. And also, hit those like buttons. It also helps me out, it helps the channel out, and helps us grow as a community. Okay, let's see. Let's go here. I haven't been there before. Eh. Okay, we have time. I can customize my... Let's move that up a bit. Move that aside. Let's see how this works. If it doesn't, I'm going to change it back. Uh-oh. Sounds like we've been ejected. Okay. Let's do my little technique. At least I caught it before I got too far down. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna make that. So apparently Wadu is in this match. Yeah, let's change that. Alright, let's hit this first, I guess, house. Ah, yes, a level 3 bag. Alright. Alright. No guns yet. Come on now, game. Come on. Give me at least a pistol, something. Yes, thank you. The worst pistol you can get, but I don't. Ooh. Switch up. Stop that. Stop. Thank you. If I don't find an assault rifle, I am just gonna go pistols only. Did I check the other? Oh, I didn't check all the way. How long do we have? Ooh. Nope. Can't do that. Let's see. I'm thinking about doing a custom match. Would you guys like to join in? If you do, leave a comment and leave your ID and name in the comments below, and I'll friend you and you can play a game with me and my friends. Either duos or against all free for all. It's just a thought. Okay. Sorry about that. I am just fixing me controls. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I nailed him right to the face. Ooh, hello there. Oh, I don't have an extended mag for it. But I'll take the bullets. Thank you. Thanks for the nice delivery. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna drop that vector. No. Just gonna roll. Guess I'm gonna roll with an AK along with this match too. Maybe not. Ooh, yeah, baby. Alright, let's just drop everything. We're rolling with this. We're rolling with it. Automatic pistols only, baby. I might change that up a bit again. There we go! Small bursts always work. Every time. Might want to disable. Uh, what in the world? Is Pachinki in here? Yes. I need to complete a mission. Next game I'll use only pistols. Promise. Okay, let's get in here. Can you stop with these weird messages? Okay, I'm in the zone. Not bad. 47 still alive. Okay, let's look around. No one's around us. That's good, I guess. I want more kills. I got him! Yeah! Just open fire on the dude! He never seen the thing coming! Amazing! Alright, let's look these houses up here. No way! Are you kidding? Well, that's what I get. That's what I get. Oh, well, that'll be it. I am a little over time. I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It will help out me, help out the channel. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.